Well, hello, welcome back to Skeledon, Bushcraft and Survival. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you're having an awesome day, regardless of what time of day it is that you're watching this video. Well, I'm out here in the woods, looking around, and found a great find. It's August, they'll be gone by the end of the month, but found some chanterelles. So, I'll bring you up close and tell you a little bit more about them. Now, of course, if you're new in hunting chanterelles, it's always best to have somebody with you that knows how to identify them. They do have lookalikes, but these are the things that I go by to identify them. First things first is, well, the look of them. Now, they come in different colors. Some are a lot more orange than these are right here. Some are yellow. But one of the key things that I want to look at is where it's growing. And it is actually growing out of the soil, and it's not actually growing off of a rotted wood or anything like that. It's actually from the soil. The second thing is the gills on the underside. They're false gills. They're not actual gills, and they don't run all the way through. Also, and I'm going to go ahead and pick this one right here. If you split it down the middle, as you can see, the coloration of the inside is a lot wider than the outside. The lookalikes, like jack-o'-lantern, is actually the same color on the inside as it is on the out. And another thing is they don't grow in clusters. Now, they do in small clusters, maybe 4 or 5, but you'll never see them in a huge cluster like you will on jack-o'-lanterns. But these right here are mighty good tasting too. Just fry them up, put a little salt on them, and they taste great. Another thing that I do want to add, just like any other mushroom, it's always the best idea to cook them before eating them. And if you've never eaten them before, these chanterelles are non-toxic, but they could cause some kind of effect. So it's always best to practice precaution. Eat a little bit, wait 3 days without eating anything new, and if it doesn't cause you any kind of effects, eat more. Well, that's that for that. Last video, I mentioned that I was doing a giveaway. Let's go ahead and get to the winner. Alright, last video, I said I was doing a giveaway. I was giving away 10 of these awesome little fire plugs. As you see, Bigfoot Bushcraft. I'm just going to go ahead and do a real quick demonstration of how they're working. You got to break them apart like this right here. Get the fluff out like that right there. Then it's just a matter of taking a ferro rod, a striker, and there you go. Simple as that. Took 2 strikes for me, but I was up like this right here. But even doing things in an awkward way, it works. These things are awesome. Let's go ahead and get to the drawing. I got my brother out here. He's helping me do this video. He's right back behind the camera, and I'm actually going to have him come up here and reach his hand in there and pick out a name. I have all of the names in here that entered into the giveaway, and I just figured that would be the most fair and have him. And by the way, just a shout out to him. Check out my brother's channel at Outdoors with Joker. All right. And who we got? Grandpa Terry. Can you see it? Awesome. Grandpa Terry, congratulations. I have 10 fire plugs coming your way. I just need you to send me an email letting me know the address and stuff. And yeah, like I said, congratulations. These things are awesome. Well, that's going to be it for me. Thank you very much for joining me. I can't wait until upcoming videos. I have the stuff coming in the mail. So there is going to be a really good giveaway coming up, and I can't wait for it. I just don't know when it's going to be, but it's going to be soon. I promise. I just got to wait till all the stuff comes in the mail. So, like I said, that's going to be it for me. Thank you very much again, and take care. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this type of video, please like, share, and subscribe. I have many more coming up in the future. Until then, take care. And remember, nature, it does provide.